Warm meals, crispy snacks, and quick cooking can make any kitchen routine easier. Best Wonder Oven options deliver compact performance, fast heating, and versatile cooking features that fit busy mornings, family dinners, and late-night cravings without taking up too much counter space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Wonder Oven. The BLACK+DECKER Wonder Oven is a practical countertop appliance designed for households that want reliable cooking performance without sacrificing kitchen space. Its 5-in-1 versatility allows users to air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep food warm using one compact machine, making it a useful option for daily cooking routines. Whether preparing crispy fries, reheating leftovers, baking frozen snacks, or toasting breakfast bread, this oven handles multiple cooking tasks efficiently. One of its biggest strengths is the air fry technology, which creates crispy textures with significantly less oil compared to deep frying. This feature is especially useful for families trying to prepare healthier meals while still enjoying crunchy foods. The interior capacity is another highlight because it comfortably fits 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for small families, gatherings, or meal prep sessions. The Even Toast technology improves heat circulation inside the oven so bread, bagels, and similar foods toast evenly without burnt edges or cold spots. Simple control knobs keep operations straightforward, allowing users to quickly adjust cooking settings without dealing with complicated digital menus. The built-in 60-minute timer also adds convenience for busy schedules and helps reduce overcooking. Its compact footprint works well in apartments, dorms, RVs, and kitchens with limited counter space, while still delivering enough cooking room for larger portions. Number 2. KINGWISE IPX4 Wonder Oven. The KINGWISE IPX4 Wonder Oven stands out as a multifunction pizza oven built for people who enjoy restaurant-style cooking at home. Its 6-in-1 cooking system combines pizza making, steak searing, baking, air frying, roasting, and broiling into one appliance, helping users save both kitchen space and storage room. One of the most impressive features is the powerful 1800-watt heating system capable of reaching temperatures up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly hotter than most standard countertop ovens. This high heat helps create crispy pizza crusts with evenly melted toppings, while also making it possible to cook thick steaks with a quality sear. The built-in 2500 RPM convection fan circulates hot air evenly throughout the oven, reducing uneven cooking and helping food develop better texture and color. Dual NTC temperature probes further improve consistency by monitoring internal temperatures in real time, helping prevent burnt spots or undercooked areas. Another major advantage is the easy-to-use control system that combines touchscreen functionality with a simple adjustment knob. Users can quickly select cooking modes, customize temperature settings, and follow the included recipe guide without confusion. The 5 pizza presets make the cooking process even more beginner-friendly. Number 3. Our Place Compact Wonder Oven. The Our Place Compact Wonder Oven combines stylish design with strong cooking performance, making it a popular choice for modern kitchens with limited space. This 6-in-1 appliance supports air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, broiling, and reheating, allowing users to replace several separate kitchen gadgets with one compact oven. One of the biggest advantages is its rapid heating system, which preheats much faster than traditional ovens and helps reduce overall cooking time. The temperature range between 200 and 450 degrees provides flexibility for everything from slow roasting vegetables to quickly crisping frozen snacks or preparing golden toast. Despite its compact design, the 12-liter interior offers impressive cooking space, capable of fitting a whole chicken or meals for several people. Dual cooking levels also increase efficiency by allowing multiple foods to cook simultaneously. A standout feature is the steam infusion technology that uses a small amount of water to restore moisture to leftovers, bread, or reheated meals. This helps foods taste fresher instead of dry or rubbery after reheating. The 360-degree convection system evenly circulates heat throughout the oven, creating crispy textures and balanced cooking results without constant monitoring. The sleek appearance and minimalist controls also make the appliance visually appealing on kitchen counters, especially in smaller apartments or modern homes. Users who want healthier meals benefit from the air frying function because it reduces oil usage while still producing crunchy textures.
Number 4. Our Place Essentials Wonder Oven. The Our Place Essentials Wonder Oven expands on the brand's compact cooking concept by including additional accessories that improve convenience and cooking flexibility. This package combines the Wonder Oven with an essentials kit that includes an extra bake pan and air fryer basket, making it easier to prepare larger meals or cook multiple foods simultaneously. The appliance supports 6 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, reheating, and toasting, giving users the ability to replace bulkier countertop appliances with one streamlined unit. Its rapid preheating capability is one of the standout features because it cooks significantly faster than many traditional ovens, helping save time during busy mornings or weeknight dinners. The temperature range reaches up to 450 degrees, making it suitable for crispy air-fried foods, baked dishes, roasted vegetables, and golden toast. The 12.7-quart interior provides enough room for a 4.5-pound chicken or a 9-inch pizza, while still maintaining a compact footprint suitable for smaller kitchens. The included accessories increase versatility even further by allowing users to prepare double batches of snacks, vegetables, or proteins more efficiently. Steam infusion technology helps maintain moisture during reheats, improving the texture of leftovers and preventing dryness. The convection heating system also ensures even airflow inside the oven, helping foods cook consistently on every rack.
Number 5. Our Place Countertop Wonder Oven. The Our Place Countertop Wonder Oven is designed for users who want a compact appliance capable of handling multiple cooking tasks without taking over valuable counter space. Featuring 6 cooking modes, including air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and toasting, this oven replaces several kitchen appliances while still maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. One of its strongest features is the fast preheating system, which heats significantly quicker than standard ovens and reduces cooking time for busy households. The temperature capability up to 450 degrees allows users to prepare a wide range of foods, including crispy fries, roasted vegetables, baked desserts, and toasted sandwiches with reliable results. Its 12.7-quart interior offers enough space for family-sized portions while remaining compact enough for apartments, dorms, and smaller kitchens. The included bake pan and air fryer basket improve cooking flexibility by allowing users to cook multiple dishes or larger batches at once. The convection system circulates hot air evenly throughout the oven, helping foods cook consistently and develop crisp textures without excessive oil. This makes the air frying function especially useful for healthier everyday meals. The overall design feels modern and premium, making it an attractive addition to kitchen countertops instead of something users feel the need to hide away after use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.